Polymer engineering. Polymer engineering is generally an engineering field that designs, analyzes, and modifies polymer materials. Polymer engineering covers aspects of the petrochemical industry, polymerization, structure and characterization of polymers, properties of polymers, compounding and processing of polymers, and description of major polymers, structure property relations, and applications. The word polymer was introduced by the Swedish chemist J.J. Bargelis. He considered, for example, benzene C6H6 to be a polymer of ethine C2H2. Later, this definition underwent a subtle modification. The history of human use of polymers has been long since the mid 19th century, when it entered the chemical modification of natural polymers. In 1839, Charles Goodyear found a critical advance in the research of rubber vulcanization, which has turned natural rubber into a practical engineering material. In 1870, J. W. Hyatt uses camphor to plasticize nitrocellulose to make nitrocellulose plastics. Industrial. 1907, L. Baekeland reported the synthesis of the first thermosetting phenolic resin, which was industrialized in the 1920s, the first synthetic plastic product. In 1920, A. Standinger proposed that polymers are long-chain molecules that are connected by structural units through common covalent bonds. This conclusion laid the foundation for the establishment of modern polymer science. Subsequently, Carothers divided the synthetic polymers into two broad categories, namely a polycondensate obtained by a polycondensation reaction and an addition polymer obtained by a polyaddition reaction. In the 1950s, K. Ziegler and G. Natter discovered a coordination polymerization catalyst and pioneered the era of synthesis of stereogular regular polymers. In the decades after the establishment of the concept of macromolecules, the synthesis of high polymers has achieved rapid development, and many important polymers have been industrialized one after another. So that's all about polymerization engineering.